Hello friends, today's video is about a circular issued on 18th May 2021, circular number 148. It is with respect to an SOP for implementation of one relaxation which was provided under section 30 of the Act. Quickly recapitulate section 30, what amendment was being proposed. Section 30 talks about the revocation for cancellation of registration. If the proper officer has cancelled the registration, so you have got 30 days to apply back for the revocation of the cancellation done suo motu by the proper officer. Now, with effect from 1st January 21, there has been a change in this section 30. A new proviso has been added, which says the first 30 days are there on the portal. You can apply for revocation of cancellation of registration. Now, they have given a relief to the taxpayer that if you are not able to file the revocation application for registration within 30 days, then you can apply the revocation application in next 30 days to the Joint Commissioner or Additional Commissioner, and in next 30 days to the Commissioner. Totaling 90 days total from the service of the notice you are given with to apply for revocation of cancellation of registration. Now this process has to be done online. Because non-availability of this functionality on the GST portal, this circular is being released. This circular says that Rule 23 is amended, Form REG 21 is amended, but no functionality is available. Till the time GSTN has no functionality to do this online, this circular shall prevail. What does it say? If within 30 days you are not able to file the application for revocation of registration, then you can in next 30 days. After 30 days, then 30 days, 60 days total, and then 30 more days, 90 days total from the service of the notice. Now they say that you can send a letter or an email to the proper officer giving the reasons, sufficient reasons has to be shown by the taxpayer that why revocation of cancellation should still be done after the expiry of originally 30 days. So you have to write a letter to the proper officer. The proper officer, after receiving the letter, will send it to the jurisdictional Joint Commissioner or Additional Commissioner. On receiving it, they shall scrutinize it and they either will accept it, or if they are not satisfied with the sufficient reasons shown on the letter, they will give a personal hearing opportunity of being heard to the taxpayer. Even after personal hearing, they are not satisfied, they will reject it and communicate the reasons of rejection by way of an order, and the same process shall be followed if the application for revocation of registration is filed beyond 60 days, that means to the Commissioner, and the same process shall be followed and the proper officer shall deal with the cancellation of registration on the basis of, after 30 days, the proper officer shall deal with the cancellation of registration on the basis of the directions provided by either by Joint Commissioner or Additional Commissioner or by the Commissioner. So this circular is being released to implement the relief provided by Section 30. Hope you would be liking it. If you have not subscribed my channel as yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that all the latest updates and videos should reach to you. Thank you very much.